What's going on, my people? It's Carpet Cleaning Trainer with Dreddy back at you with another video. You see what's going on. We got to make sure that the vinyl is secure, no trip hazard. What actually happened? The lady was moving her deep freezer. Guys, if this is the first time you're here, all right, at my channel, thank you for coming, man. Like, share. What I do carpet cleaning and carpet repairs, all right, water damage, floods. Sometimes you may see ear duct cleaning, but today what we're doing is a J-bar repair and carpet restretch with the vinyl repair. All right, now one of the main things why we're doing this, because it wasn't secure and it's a trip hazard. All right, that's it right there. That's the J-bar repair. The thing is, sometimes these apartments, the slab floor can be a little bit stubborn if the concrete is really rich. You get away, you know, sometimes with it with a wood floor, but the problem you run into a lot of times is when you're dealing with these concrete floors, man. So you gotta, you know, you have to make sure you know what you're doing. Protect your eyes. Sometimes these nail heads they just shoot out, you know. So thank God above, man, that I haven't got none hit me yet. But yeah, this is part of the job. You know, sometimes we just don't clean carpets. Sometimes we may have to do repairs, and the repairs, you know, end up being more than, you know, your regular carpet cleaning sometimes, depending on how they are. Man, speaking about, you know, money, guys, this gas is ridiculous, man. It's ridiculous. This is where we at now, based upon the choices that people have made politically, man. And now we're suffering. Guys, like, share, subscribe. Thank you for coming. You know, that's the deep freezer right there. You see it in the back? Yeah, she got her water stacked up. But this is the times that we're living in. Thanks for coming, guys. I love you. Peace.